This is probably, in my view, the most significant international humanitarian law ruling that we've had in human history. And the reason I say that is not because it's greater or worse than any particular thing. It's more to do with the fact that Israel has been enjoying impunity from accountability, from allegations of unlawful occupation, from allegations of unlawful activity towards Palestinians, from property theft, from murder, from just about any kind of international law violation you can think of for decades. And it's been enjoyed, that impunity, which has been gifted to it by Western states, regional states to some degree, states across the globe. And really because its big brother America is forever protecting and protecting accountability in that region. So now you've got an international criminal institution, the highest criminal court in the world, who has looked at the situation, looked at evidence which is submitted to it, given that evidence to judges, independent judges that have considered that evidence and come to a decision that in actual fact, Israel is engaged in widespread and systematic attacks against the civilian population and has done so over the last 12 months. The allegations that they have found have reasonable grounds for it to issue the arrest warrant are really clear. So there's the attack on the civilian population. There is the war crime of starvation. There is the depriving the civilian population of objects indispensable to their survival, like food, water, and the such like. Crime against humanity of murder, and the crime of intentionally directing attacks against the civilian population. They also made a finding that in doing that, they saw no evidence that there was a military necessity or justification under humanitarian law for that. This is a really significant situation. And so now we have 125, an organization which has 125 states supporting it, members to it, obliged to act in accordance with its rulings by treaty and by agreement, deciding that actually Israel, in particular Benjamin Netanyahu and Yoav Gallant, who are both now suspected war criminals, wanted by the ICC, should be put on trial for the most serious war crimes that you could imagine.